Go ahead.
You done. We back in the ATL.
If you're new to my channel is about cooking, motivation, and entrepreneurship. In this video, it's a little fun. I'm going to take you behind the scenes so you can see behind the scenes of like my cooking videos and how I kind of put those together, as well as my girl Malia from Dallas and her daughter came in town. So we went to the Hawks game. We had some fun. It's always good as an entrepreneur to kind of have balance and be able to, you know, work and do your creative juices, but also to find time for friends and family. And also, don't forget there's going to be a nice yummy video, cooking video at the end of this video that you definitely do not want to miss. So let's get into this video.
I don't know, focus.
Well, let it focus or get it focused on. Maybe you gotta turn it towards me or is it turned towards me?
I'm talking about it's like blurring. Not, it's a
Still. That better? Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let's start over because I wasn't ready.
okay.
Hey y'all, this is Chef Shay, and today I thought it would be fun to do. Let's start over because I need the mix. Talking about what we're doing. Hey y'all, this is Chef Shay, and I thought today would be cool. We're gonna be doing. Let me start over. Hey y'all, this is Shay, and today we're gonna be doing French toast. French toast is easy, it's good, you can make it for brunch, it's a real quick thing, you don't need that many ingredients, and we're gonna be using DivineKuizine sugar spice to sweeten up the French toast. So let's go ahead and get started. How was that?
That was good.
Okay. So the first thing would be I'm going to be cutting up the bread. So how this will go pretty much just like you having it up there. I'm putting all the ingredients in, and then we'll come over here and then you'll show me again talking, or you know what I mean, and then we'll fry up the French toast.
I'm gonna take this. Yeah, that's good.
Put it on, and then we're gonna stack it.
Yeah.
Okay, first go over here and I'll talk about the bread that I'm gonna use, and then we'll go into the. Turn it the other one. Okay, y'all. So I am going to use brioche bread for this French toast. Any type of like kind of thicker bread is good. So you can use Texas toast. I know some people use that. I know some people use challah, I think it's pronounced, bread. But I'm gonna use the brioche, and brioche is we're gonna cut it probably 3/4 inch thick because you kind of. Okay, y'all, so now I'm getting ready to, I have because I was getting tongue-tied. Okay, y'all, so I have the stove on, is it the stove or the oven. Stove. Go ahead. Stove. How we're gonna do this is I'm gonna be putting it on, and then we're gonna do some syrup. So I want you to get close to it for the syrup. No, I don't put it on that, because I want you to see like the syrup coming down. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna put some berries.
So I'm putting it to you or to this?
Put it to me first. Turn it the other way.
I'm done, Shay. You
Go
done.
ahead. Go ahead.
You done.
When you're watching this video, let me explain why Malia was like, "Are you done, Shay?" Because I had tape when they got in the car, but I wasn't taping. Was holding my phone up. I thought I was recording the whole time, and I wasn't. So that's why she like, "You done, Shay?" Because I kept standing there. I'm like, "Oh, this is perfect, y'all." We got some footage, no footage. I was not recording.
We back in the ATL. We about to go to the Hawks game. Got my girl Shay over here. Got Lily, my girl. So,
She got her little Neutrogena, her little new lip gloss on.
I left this.
She's trying to get sponsored. Everybody got their little hang time. They think they cute, huh? They think they got
this is a Neutrogena lipstick, and it's really good because you can use it as a liner as well as a lipstick. It gives you good moisture, and I love this. So Neutrogena.
She's trying to get a sponsor. She's trying to get a sponsor. All right, y'all. So we're about to go to the Hawks game, so you'll see more from us. But I am so happy that my girls are back in town, so I can go outside and play a little bit.
Come on, let's go.
You guys enjoyed this fun video of seeing a little bit behind the scenes and see how I kind of set up and how I do stuff. I usually do a lot of it on my phone, which is crazy, but I usually use a lot of my phone to do my cooking videos and stuff. And so now I'll need to edit it. I may show a video if you guys want me to on how I edit my cooking videos. But I want to kind of just give you an idea of kind of how I do behind the scenes. And I thought it was fun to see, you know, a night out with my girl here. And I hope you guys enjoy the yummy recipe that's coming next. Love y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Hey y'all, this is Chef Shay, and today we're going to be making a salmon teriyaki rice bowl using DivineKuizine sugar spice in the teriyaki sauce. So stay tuned.
Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to make the teriyaki sauce. So I have some sesame seed oil. I have some hot chili oil. I have some soy sauce. And don't worry, all the measurements will be on DivineKuizine's website for the recipe, the full recipe. And then I have some rice vinegar. I have some oyster sauce. Some sweet chili sauce. And DivineKuizine sugar spice. And then I'm going to go ahead and whisk all this together. One thing I forgot is a little bit of onion powder to put in there as well and whisk that in. Okay guys, so now I have some salmon fillets that I'm going to cut into chunks. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to lightly pan fry the salmon. Once it gets a little color on it, a little browning on it, we're going to add our teriyaki sauce to the salmon. Okay, so now I'm going to put a cover over this and just kind of let this simmer on low heat just to get that stickiness and glaze together. So edamame is really easy to make. You're just going to put a little bit of salt in the water and let it boil for, you know, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so now the edamame is done, so I'm going to put it in a strainer and let it cool a little bit. Now I'm going to cut up this avocado for this teriyaki salmon bowl. Now I'm getting ready to season the rice. It's just jasmine rice with a little bit of rice vinegar. And that just gives you a little bit of acidity, you know, with the sweetness of the salmon, just to bring all the flavors together. Now we're going to just go ahead and put the rice bowl together. So I have my rice, my edamame, and I'm putting some avocado in there. Now I'm going to top the rice with the teriyaki salmon that I had made. I'm garnishing it with a little bit of green onion on top, just for another depth of flavor. And then I'm going to put some extra teriyaki sauce just to give it, you know, I'm a sauce girl, just to give it a little more sauce. And you can put some of this sauce on your rice as well. And doesn't that look just delicious? And then I have some sesame seeds that I'm going to put on there as well. And there you have it, a rice bowl with my teriyaki salmon using my sugar spice.
Okay, y'all, so I have our salmon teriyaki rice bowl here. We have a little edamame, a little bit of avocado with a little bit of sesame seeds on top. So I'm gonna dig in. Get that little nice salmon. Oh my God. Perfection. This is so good. So you have the teriyaki salmon. And remember on that rice, I put a little bit of rice vinegar, so you've got a little bit of that acidity. And then we got the avocado with the edamame seeds. That gives it another. It's delicious. Don't forget to subscribe to my website at DivineKuizine.com and to get all these wonderful recipes.